Theoretically, the reintroduction of any extinct species is possible if you have preserved strands of DNA salvageable from primary carriers, like a mosquito, as seen in Jurassic Park. However, this is not as easy as they make it look. One does not simply extract DNA from a mosquito preserved in sap for millions of years. The sap would only preserve the mosquito. The blood from a dinosaur, however, will have dried up due to lack of oxygen. Really expensive equipment and lots of MIT, Oxford, and Cambridge professionals would be the only thing you could really use to extract the blood safely.
He got lucky.
I was looking at it and I said, oh, there's a hazy, dark object inside, under some of these layers.
That's where our geneticists take.
Then there's the issue of the blood itself. After extremely long periods of time, DNA begins to fray or lose parts of its protein chain. This renders the dinosaur reconstruction incomplete. In the film, scientists replaced the holes in the DNA with that of frogs. Frogs were probably chosen by scientists because of their almost identical functions, embryonic state, and behavioral similarity to that of early dinosaurs. Theoretically, this is also possible. It has been proven that by replacing certain and nearly identical parts of missing DNA, one's missing function would be regained, with slight side effects like diabetes, high blood pressure, nosebleeds, difficulty breathing, irregular heartbeat, constipation, stroke, and even death.
With one of our security precautions. There's no unauthorized breeding in Jurassic Park.
And how do you know they can't breed?
In the movie, scientists deprived of the dinosaurs bred at Jurassic Park of their protein lysine in their DNA chain. They also controlled their chromosome development, choosing which would be female and which would be male. By choice, they made them all female so that none could be bred.
It's like a high 80s, maybe?
Whoop. 91.
Homeothermic? It holds that temperature?
Yeah.
That's incredible.
But, again, how do you know they're all female? Does somebody go out in the park and pull up the dinosaur skirts?
Yeah, by the fault that they gave them DNA from a frog, that allowed them to change gender, because that's what some frogs can do.
They just require an extra hormone given at the right developmental
I don't know.
male. We simply deny them that.
Deny them that?
John, the kind of control you're attempting is, it's not possible. Listen, if there's one thing the history of evolution has taught us, it's that life will not be contained. Life breaks free, it expands to new territories, and it crashes through barriers painfully, maybe even dangerously, but, well, there it is. There it is.
You're implying that a group composed entirely of female animals will breed?
No, I'm simply saying that life, finds a way.
What species is this?
It's a velociraptor.
Other than the extreme budget and the extreme amount of expertise it would make to make a Jurassic Park, it would be unethical. This guy would disagree. There's no way to successfully play God and decide when or when not to recreate a species. The only thing that might come out of it is this.